Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your documents into OpenWeb UI and then you can chat with your own documents. So here's an example. Imagine that your landlord gave you like a 30-page document and that's your rental agreement. You don't want to read through all of that. You just want to find out what's the late payment penalty. Well, simply upload your document into OpenWeb UI and then here you would reference the document and you would simply ask it, what's the late payment penalty? And you get an answer, $25. Very simple. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can set that up. So let's go ahead and get started. So the entire magic happens in the Workspace tab. And within this tab, we have something known as knowledge. So knowledge allows us to create collections of different documents with which we can interact with. So here I have a collection of rental documents. Here I've got a collection of research papers. Let's say that you want to create your own knowledge base. I'm going to create this knowledge base, call this research paper. And I'm going to say writing a research paper. Now let's create this knowledge base. And the first thing that you'd want to do is upload some documents. In this case, I'm going to upload some research papers. So let me do that. I'm going to add contents and upload file. Now in this case, the file that I uploaded is a research paper called Attention is All You Need. And this is what the paper looks like. So here, now that the paper is uploaded, I'm going to go back to my chat and I'm going to ask it some questions about it. So to reference your documents, you would first add the symbol and then you'll select either your collection or individual documents. So let me reference the research paper collection. And I'm going to select my model as the Mistral Nemo. And the prompt that I'm going to give is, can you give me a summary of this paper? And you can see that it is using the resources of my computer. So it does take a second to start up. And it's a slightly bigger model, but here we go. We get a brief summary of this paper. And we can see that it is referencing all of the material that's in this collection. In this case, the only material in this collection is just one research paper. So you can envision a scenario where maybe you might want to have 5, 10, 15 different research papers, and you just want the AI to summarize all of those papers. Well, you could do that. Now, another use case could also be something like this. Imagine that you are a recruiter and you put out an ad for a job description on LinkedIn. And suddenly you had maybe over 50 people apply. Now, you don't really know who to actually interview based on these 50 people. Well, what you could do is in your knowledge base, you can just directly upload a directory. So that means that you can upload all of those 50 resumes all at once into this knowledge base. It makes it really easy to do that. Here I've got 3 different resumes for A. Suchak, one for Stefano, and one for Juan. And what I'm going to do is go in here. And first, I'm going to take a prompt that I reuse quite a bit. So I'm going to put a / and select best resumes. So the prompt is basically take a look at the resumes and then give me a rank 1, rank 2, and rank 3 rating for each candidate. Now I'm going to modify this a little bit. I'm just going to say based on the job description, just give me a rank 1 candidate who I should interview. So you can see that when you have prompts like these, you can also edit them as well. Now, something that I also would need to do is to provide it the resume collection. So here is my resume collection directory that has all of the different resumes for the people. And let's see if it tells me who would be the best candidate for this job. Now, something that I forgot to do is to also add in the job description. Let me do that as well. And there we go. I put out a random job description from LinkedIn. And it still recommends Stefano as the rank number 1 candidate. They gave a reason why this person aligns well based on this job description. And there you have it. You could see how easy it was for us to simply upload documents into OpenWeb UI so that we can interact with them. We also saw how we can upload entire folders and then use that folder to then create a knowledge base. Now, if you're new to this channel and you had no idea what I was talking about, I have shared a link to the entire playlist where you can get started in the description. So definitely take a look at that first. I would really appreciate it if you could like, comment, and subscribe. If you could send me maybe a comment in the comment section just about any future ideas or use cases that you had in mind, definitely leave a comment and I'll see if I can make a video on that as well. That's it for this video here today. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.